Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So I've got a little extra video for you today because I'm going to tell you about a card kit I'm doing. I haven't done a card kit for a very long time. So I've got limited availability on these. So if you want it, let me know quickly. It's beginners, advanced, intermediate, wherever you are with card making, this will get your Christmas cards off to a flying start. I give you enough product to make 2 of each of these cards, so it's 10 cards, plus you'll have oodles of DSP left over afterwards. So I can't send stamped images, so this is all based around the sort of gingerbread and peppermint suite. But you can use whatever stamp sets that you've got to go. The others, some of them have got die cuts, so you'll have all the die cuts. These cards are a 2 for 1, and this is made from a Memories and More card. So you'll have a Memories and More card, which will be sort of cut ready to use, as you'll do it in 2 different colorways, so one in the real red and one in the old olive, and so you'll have the matching cuts to correspond to that. We have a lovely gingerbread sort of version one, and there we have one with DSP, and you will have lots and lots of DSP left over, so you can make more of these and use your own stamped images. And you can sort of use fussy cuts from the DSP instead of the dies as well. So when you've used all my die cuts, you could reproduce that card like so. So options for you. So you will get, let me move these out of the way. You'll get all the card bases and the mats and the dies and the ribbon, and you'll also get some old olive twine as well to make the cards. You'll get all the die cuts that you require to make them. That's not enough in there. This was just, I just made loads and then didn't know kind of what I was going to do. So you'll get 2 Memories and More cards, you'll get card blanks and card mats to make them all, and then you'll get a 1/4 pack of the DSP. So these double-sided, as most of our DSP is, these are easy to fussy cut out and you could use those. These can be fussy cut and used, or you can go for that side of the paper. I have fussy cut all of these. Well, these I can die cut because I've got the dies, but these require fussy cutting, and I have done that and it's all right. I like that side. These will die cut if you've got the dies, or you can easily fussy coat them. They're not too bad. Equally with those, these will all be cut out with the dies, and you can even cut these circles out if you have the die set. And there's that on the back. Those again can all get cut out. Although you might know I've got a new machine and that would cut them out. And then these are the sheets without these images, which are lovely. So you can make loads and loads of beautiful cards and 3D projects as well with them. Made this on a recent retreat, you know, cute little bag. So, and I will be doing other projects with this set as well to inspire you. You also get a PDF which I will email to you, which has all the measurements and pictures in it, so you know what you can do. And you will also have video links to video tutorials that I've recorded to make these cards. So so yeah, you can purchase just the PDF and the video access if you wish. So if anybody isn't in the European market and would be interested, then that's a way that you can purchase them. All the details will be on nigezza.co.uk. So yeah, just message me if you are interested in this kit. All the details are over my blog on how to get in contact with me. And yeah, as I say, I have got a limited number, so it's not like everybody who wants one could have one, because we're getting so close now to like the cut-off date for delivery. I didn't want to sort of set a closing date for this to say you've got to order by this point. So I have the DSP, and I've got enough cardstock in my craft room to create all the die cuts. So I don't have stamp sets to buy, and I don't have die sets to buy, so I haven't included those as an option because I'm just afraid that they won't come in time. So I didn't want to do one with a stamp set and that, so it is just limited to how much of the DSP I have got, and my memories and more cards. So yeah, so hope you like that. Hope that'll interest you. Hope that inspire you to get your Christmas cards done and off in the post early, and then that's one job off your Christmas list, isn't it? Done. So yeah, see you all again soon. Bye.